how to scan Instagram QR code in 2026. So if you want to scan Instagram QR code, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Instagram application, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you do that, you need to just simply go with your profile, which will be at the bottom. Then go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from here, you need to scroll down a bit and you will find an option of your app and media. And once you find, you need to tap on device permissions. Now you will have camera option, which will be on the top of your screen. After that, you need to go with update device settings, which will be on the bottom. And then tap on open device settings. Scroll down and go with your permissions. And here, if you have not allowed the access to your camera, you just need to simply go and allow the access. Now you can go back to your profile page. And here on the right side, you will have share profile option. Tap on share profile and you will have the QR code. As you can see, here is our QR code. And then to scan one, we need to go to the top right where it says scan. You need to just simply tap on it and go and scan the QR code. That's how you can scan Instagram QR code. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.